Well, hello campers, it's Brandon here at Mericle RV in Fort Lupton, Colorado. Got a brand new Sunset Trail that just came in. It's a 331BH, brand new 2021 model. This guy's fully loaded with tons of great features. Let's go take a look at it. So Sunset Trail is made by CrossRoads RV, one of our favorite brands we carry brand new here at Mericle RV. You do get a 3-year limited structural warranty, and we found that the construction of these is very, very well done. Now, this is a 2021 model. I'll point out a couple of differences I noticed over the 2020. First thing I noticed was the white trim on the outside. That bottom trim piece on the previous years had been black, and now it's white. I think it looks really good. So you can see this is a pretty good sized trailer, as you may expect from a 331BH as the model number. You have 3 slides, and you have that big bunk room in the back. So that's pretty cool. They have their own door with their own bathroom, their own toilet at least, and then your other bathroom is up towards the front of the coach, which we'll take a look at in a minute. Outside kitchen, I brought the big electric awning out for you so you can see what that looks like. It's pretty cool. Indoor-outdoor stereo system, it's all Bluetooth. But let's go ahead and start on the outside of the trailer and we'll work our way in. So first off, I want to point out, here's that white trim. It's a little bit different this year. And of course your electric stabilizer jacks. These are so easy and so convenient. It just runs off your 12-volt system. It is pretty cool. Basically all you have is the one rocker switch for your 2 front jacks, and then another rocker switch for your 2 rear jacks. So making it very easy and very convenient to set up and break down your campsite. That easy, friends. So nice pass-through storage here. We'll take a look at that on the other side. You might hear some beeping during this video. That's just my battery pack. You do have a portable solar panel plug in here. This is a Zamp Solar, so you can trickle charge those batteries when you're off grid and on those longer camping trips. 2 propane tanks, so that's awesome for all your heat and cooking needs on those longer trips. Electric tongue jack, making it really easy and to get on and off your truck. Nice light. Now these are really nice looking trailers. Nice color schemes. Really happy with these guys. And I like this little plating here that helps for the rocks kicking up from your truck. Alright, let's take a look at the sticker on this side. So this is, as you can see, pretty new. September 4th, 2020 is the manufacture date. Now your dry weight, that's really the magic number, unloaded vehicle weight, or otherwise known as dry weight, 7604. So 7,600 pounds. That's this trailer empty as it's equipped currently. So your GVWR, which is the maximum chassis weight or trailer weight of this model, is 9735. That's about as heavy as this thing can get, so leaving you about 2,100 pounds of cargo capacity. Now, I don't know that you would fill up this guy with 2,100 pounds of cargo, but it is nice to have that kind of space, that kind of room to load up with. Now, check out this pass-through storage. Nice light here. You also have an LED light strip that runs across. The switch is on the other side there. But a really nice finished compartment. Looks good. And then, I love showing this aluminum frame construction. So how nice is that? You can see that great construction of this coach. So here's your little hookup center, which is hidden when that door is closed. Nice slam shut latch. You can lock that, keep everything secure. When you open it up, you have access to your battery disconnect. I love how they have that. Some of the previous models in the past years didn't have that, so I'm really happy to see they're doing that. Freshwater tank, your tank flush for your 2 separate tanks, it looks like, and your city water connection. Now the city water connection right here is nice because they actually give you a little portal that you can run that hose through. So when you're at a KOA or a campground with running water, just run that hose through here. You can close this up, lock it, and the hose just comes out the bottom. Now check this out. I love pointing this out, something I wish every manufacturer would do, and that's the quick water drain for your freshwater tank. So this white valve here is your fresh water tank, but really nice when you want to dump your water for winterization, it's getting too cold, or say you want to drop some weight because you're towing it. Pretty neat. Just dump this and all your fresh water comes right out. And then of course you can see the heat-in sealed underbelly under here as well. So pretty cool. Here's the other electric stabilizer jack. Now you do have 2 sets of drains on this guy. Your black and gray water up here for your main bathroom, and then you have another set for your galley and for your bunk room bathroom. Outside of your furnace, outside of your water heater. Let's keep going. And then here's those other drains. So this is your drain for your, looks like your sink and shower for the sink and toilet in the rear, plus probably your kitchen. Nice looking wheels. So let's come across and we'll work our way inside. So your rear bumper, a great place to store your sewage hose and hold your spare tire. Now your 50 amp electrical plug is on the rear, which I actually like because a lot of campsites you're at, having that accessible here in the back really makes it a lot easier to find a good spot to plug in. Ladder for roof access, pre-wired for a backup camera. Now you may notice this is a rounded roof, so that snow is going to melt off the side, which is great in Colorado, and the water's not going to pool up on top. Check this out too. So you're seeing this more and more in place of an outside shower. It's a little spray port on the outside. So it does come with that blue hose you may have seen in the inside pass-through storage. Kind of like your garden hose at home. You just hook it up there and you can spray your feet off, spray the dog off, the kids, etc. Pretty neat. You're seeing that more and more. Now here's your outside of your coaxial and satellite hookups. Now coming around to the main side of the coach, we can see that really nice sized awning, all electric, pretty cool. And I love this outdoor kitchen. I love that they do the Capital Grill, so 8,500 BTUs. Throw your steak right on there, and you're good. And your nice size refrigerator. Could fit some beer in there for sure. And you do have your little sink, and some storage, and a little light. Pretty neat. Alright, and then here's your other rocker switch. So this is for those rear stabilizer jacks. Just one switch for both of them. So pretty neat. And then you can see your exterior propane connector. That's what your gas grill hooks up into. But of course you could plug something else into there as well. So you got two doors here, which is pretty neat. This rear one is to the bathroom. This is your secondary bathroom, secondary toilet. So it's pretty nice because if you're driving down the road, somebody needs to use the restroom, you can just pull off the road. You don't need to open up any slides. Just open this door up and you're ready to go. A little bit of storage, we'll take a look at that from the inside. But you do have a sink, so always wash your hands, of course. And let's check it out. Screen door, proper ventilation, always important. All right, so solid steps. These are always nice because they contact the ground, allowing you to have a little bit more stability coming inside and out of your coach. You can see one of the speakers here for your indoor-outdoor Bluetooth stereo. Looks like they're both positioned right here for your stereo system. So 3-year limited structural warranty. I got to point that out again because it is an awesome feature, as well as the extreme weather package with your upgraded insulation, reflective heat barrier, upgraded furnace, a heated enclosed underbelly, power tongue jack, power awning, power stabilizer jacks, and your portable solar panel plug-in. So pretty cool. And the all-important bottle opener and pet leash latch. Always important. Now Sunset Trail is one of the widest doors I've seen, so it's really easy to get in and out with armfuls of groceries or armful of children, especially in a bunkhouse camper like this. So let's walk on in and check out the interior. Pretty cool rounded roof. Feels very tall in here for us tall people. Now your controls are just here. So here's your 3 slides and your awning. The awning, I'm going to start bringing that in because it's getting a little windy outside. But pretty neat. You got your nice LED lighting underneath the awning, which hopefully you can kind of see when that switches on. Water pump, water heaters, tank heaters, awesome. And then interior lights. So we'll go ahead and fire some of those on, get some lights going. And then a little bit of storage here, nice deep cubbies. Pretty cool. This is actually removable, so you can kind of play with that to get maximum use of the space for whatever you're doing. Pretty neat. Let's take another look on the inside here. So dual slides here in the living area give you a nice big kitchen island. Lots of workspace, lots of great prep space for your cooking. So definitely if you got a big family, this really makes it nice. Because you have a propane oven, 3-burner propane cooktop with a nice smooth cover on the top. Vented range hood with light, fan. This backsplash is beautiful. I really like that. And then your microwave. More storage. It is set up for a WineGuard antenna, so you could upgrade to a 4G LTE system and do some off-grid working remotely. How cool would that be? Take your camper out. Now check out this sink. These sink covers are great. I love how they give you the 2 different options. They give you this guy here, and then the roll up that allows the ventilation. Nice big stainless steel sink, and your hose there. Lots of storage in the kitchen island portion. Lots of room and drawers. You really have a lot of space on this trailer, which is nice. So now that the lights are on, take a look at what that looks like. Really beautiful. All ducted air conditioning. That's a 50 amp service, which means it can do both air conditioners and support 2 air conditioners. Love the skylight there, especially if you're cooking. Good size refrigerator. This is a 2-way, so off your LP system or a 110 connection. Now what's nice with this model too is how huge the windows are on the slide. Really, really nice. Additionally, your dinette turns into a bed, and then you have another sleeper here on the sofa. So lots and lots of sleeping options. Love pointing out these USB chargers. Great place to charge your cell phone. And then you do have an electric fireplace. How nice is that? Those things warm up really well. Electric fireplace, here's your indoor-outdoor stereo, and it does come with the TV. These Jensen are specifically designed for RVs to handle the moisture and the bumping up and down. So coming across here, let's see some of the storage. Awesome. Now, here's your front portion where you're going to stay most of the time. Check out that lighting. That is cool. So here's your primary bathroom. You have your sink, your vanity, really good sized shower. Huge in there. And the skylight for the extra headroom. An all-important bathroom fan. And look at that linen storage. That is awesome. And you even have a little hanging closet in there. So tons of space. Your foot flush toilet. And then they give you the little pet station with that beautiful light underneath. King size bed, friends. King size bed. Window on either side of the bed allowing great ventilation. Very cool. Little cubbies up by the top of the bed with USB chargers. You put your glasses there, your water, your book. Pretty neat. So awesome bedroom area. Nice little sliding pocket door. Giving you some great privacy. So this is your bathroom if you're the parents, and then the kids have their own toilet in the rear. So let's check that out. So you come in, here's the bunk room in the back with the slide, so that's out all the way, and then here's that access to that toilet we saw on the outside. Now I want to see what the storage is. Wow, those are deep shelves, lots of extra space there. How cool is that? Let's check out this bunk room really quick. So what's nice, this top bunk does fold up, allowing you to have a little entertainment center, and this bottom couch does fold out, so you have another sleeping area here, sleeping area there. This is cool. I think this is different from previous years. I don't remember seeing this on last year's model. But you have this bed on the bottom that actually folds up to have another storage compartment. Of course, that's outside kitchen on the other side of there. And then another bunk up here with lots of great storage. USB chargers and storage all the way across. This is awesome. Here's where you mount your TV. So you can make this into a little entertainment room for the kids or just a sleeping area. Check out that bunk room. Very nice. It's like 2 trailers in one, friends. 2 trailers in one. Huge, especially with that separate bathroom. Take one more look at the living area from this side. Oh, we'll go ahead and hit the lights on. Take a look at it with the lights on there. Very cool.